Business 2.0, a product placement series highlighting business initiatives island-wide. Business 2.0.
My name is Sylvester Louis. I'm the Managing Director of Express Medical Supplies and Total Healthcare Pharmacy. The pharmacy is located at the corner of Clark Street and the Vieux-Fort Laborie Highway. And we've been in operation since 2006, so that's about 7 years now. The idea of starting a pharmacy, I was conceptualized well over 20 years ago. I had already been trained. I was working at the hospital, St. Joe's Hospital, and I wanted to be on my own. I wanted to do something for myself and for the community too. So I was looking for a place in Vieux-Fort at the time. I was way back in the 90s. A place was available, but the gentleman decided he would rent it out to a lawyer instead because they didn't think the idea of a pharmacy in Vieux-Fort would do well at the time. So I shelved the idea until a convenient location was found, and that happened back in 2006. I got that place and I thought it was a good location, and I decided to go ahead with my plan, but that plan had been there for a long time. I was just waiting for the right opportunity to go ahead with it. I had some assistance. The banks were quite good to me. I remember they helped me along the way. So some savings that I had, and I was able to get some overdraft facility at the bank, and that was able to get me going. I think the main challenge I had was to get a pharmacist to work with me. Although I am a pharmacist, but I was working, as I said at the time, for a US company, so I needed a pharmacist to run the operation. You cannot have a pharmacy without a pharmacist. And so I was very fortunate that I was able to get a pharmacist who had St. Lucian, who had been trained in Cuba, was well qualified, and she was, I was able to convince her to join us. Although it was new and just starting off, but she had a confidence in us, and she joined the operation, and she's still here with me. The pharmacy is not a big pharmacy, but I think one of the key areas that we concentrate on is prescription medicines. When it comes to prescription medicine, I don't think anybody in the south of the island can really compete with us. And when somebody comes here for prescription, the majority of the times we're able to fill up maybe 90 to 99% of the prescription, feel like they get everything that they want. If we don't have the medication at the time, I'll tell them, okay, leave the prescription with me, I'll see where I can get it for you. Or any other drugstore in Castries, I can get it for them. I let my driver pick it up. The patient comes next day or 2 days later, pick up the medication, and they're so happy. Another thing that we do at Total Healthcare is to order special items for patients. So if there's a product that a patient wants, they cannot get it, we will go out of our way to get it for them. The idea of branching out into Castries is something that I've given some thought, and I've been approached by some persons north of the island. But at this moment, I don't think that's the time that I want to move, because the economy is not doing very well, and I think to go down or to spread out may be a bit problematic for us when it comes to, as far as finance is concerned. We don't want to spread ourselves out too thin, and then we cannot, take care of our customers the way we would like to. We have about 14 to 15 persons who are employed with us, so that's one area I think we have been helping out, because a lot of those persons depend on us to earn a living. So plus we have other services that we engage other persons to do, like cash escort, So we've been able to help out quite a bit, and I think there are a lot of persons benefiting, and so we are able to contribute towards some form of economic growth. Another thing that that anybody who comes to Total Healthcare would experience is our staff. We have a very warm group of young people working here, and they'll ensure that that our customers have a pleasant experience when it comes to Soil Healthcare Pharmacy. They're well taken care of. I have always told them that, ensure that when persons come here, that they want to come back.
You've been watching Business 2.0. Please join us again next time.